Finally picked up a new tin of Tiger Balm. This is the Ultra. My old one was basically scraped up dry, and my neck has been killing me. The way that I'm sleeping at night and working, I'm just so tense. So, if you know, then you know. I am a sucker for anything that smells like icy hot or Vicks. Oh. Look at that. Beautiful. If you know that smell, then you know it's super strong. It's clove, menthol, weirdly nostalgic. It smells like every Asian household. The Ultra is a bit different from the regular white or red versions. It's got this concentrated, oily texture that doesn't disappear. A little bit goes a long way. My wrist hurts as well. Don't overdo it because you're gonna feel like you're freezing and on fire at the same time. Ooh. That is potent. Okay. So, growing up, this was the OG thing. Love it so much. Let me see. I've been spending way too much time at my desk at work. And sometimes I do a little hunch when I'm just sitting for too long. I don't even notice that I do a little hunch. So then my posture starts hurting me. But yeah. Just make sure you wash your hands after you use this. Do not rub your eyes at all because you are going to be in big trouble unless you want to cry. You guys should try this.